Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today I'm giving you a nice video here of a 2014 Moffett M55 showing 82 hours. Now this has a 10-foot mast, backrest. It has brick and block forks. Now if you would like to have pallet forks, we can switch those out for free for these brick and block forks. You have really nice rubber all the way around. It's been completely refurbished. Take a look at this rubber. You have brand new rubber in front. We'll look at the back here. Near new rubber in back, I'd say. It might have been new, but got a little bit of wear from us using it and testing it, so maybe I'd call it 95% in back. You had a new seat. Now when we repaint these, you can see we take off the roll cage. See the bolts here? See the new bolts here? We take off this diamond plating, the roll cage, many of these parts that are removable, like this cover here, the battery cover, the hydraulic manifold cover, the back door, the hood. Then what we do is we paint these all separately, put it all back together so you have a long-lasting finish. You have a nice thick coat of paint in between. We also pressure and leak test your hydraulic system, make sure your cylinders are all strong, they're not leaking. Same way with the hoses, make sure you have no leaking hoses, make sure your cylinders are nice, make sure your pump's nice and that's nice and strong. There's your V2203 engine. Now look, I'm going to show you the paint job in back here. We don't mess around. When we take these babies apart, look at the paint. It's way in here on the hydraulic tank, way up in here on the engine. A lot of guys are going in here putting it on the one coat on the surface that looks good in the pictures, but then when you get out there, you're going to see that ours have a better paint job than most of them. See the new bolts here? Even this part's been removed. Look at your new stickers. Now we're going to go ahead and fire this up. I'm going to let you know also that you get an operational guarantee. It's going to be a condition I'm showing you here today. If it arrives differently, we're going to help you out, help you get it fixed. That's over once you get it, but you can buy it online that way. But don't worry, it doesn't stop there. The engine's continues to be guaranteed for an additional 30 days. You get a 30-day engine warranty and an operational guarantee. Now we're going to fire this Kubota to life. Here's your mast going up and down. Tilt. Side shift. Outriggers. Mast going in and out. Now I'm going to take a spin around the shop. Here's your horn. There's your backup alarm. Now you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching our video.